how much should you actually spend on a micro SD card? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Amazon Basics 128GB Micro SD Card. First up is the Amazon Basics Micro SDXC Memory Card. Priced at $25.43, I was impressed by its simplicity and reliability. If you want solid storage without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. With read speeds up to 100 MBs and write speeds around 60 MBs, it's designed for smooth performance across various devices. Think smartphones, tablets, and cameras. This matters because you don't want to be waiting around for files to transfer when you're in the moment. Now, some users complained about the actual storage capacity being slightly less than advertised, which is a common issue with micro SD cards. But here's the thing, if you're not using it for critical storage that has to be exactly 128 GB, you'll still have plenty of space for your needs. This is perfect for you if you're a casual user looking for a reliable card for your smartphone or camera. Skip this one if you're a professional who needs the absolute highest speed and capacity. For its price, it offers solid value for money. Now, if that slight capacity concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The SanDisk 256GB Ultra Micro SD Card. Product number 2, SanDisk 256GB Ultra Micro SD Card. The SanDisk 256GB Ultra Micro SDXC card is next on my list, priced at $41.96. It's a great mixture of capacity and speed that caught my eye. If you want extra storage without compromising on performance, this one's definitely worth a look. This is crucial for anyone who's constantly recording content, as you don't want lag when capturing those perfect moments. Plus, the A1 rating ensures faster app performance, which is essential for mobile gamers. However, some people mention that it can be slower when used in older devices. Here's the thing though, if you're using a newer device or a compatible USB reader, you won't have any issues and the speed makes it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you're a content creator or someone who just loves capturing high-quality videos and images. Skip this one if you're only using it for basic file storage. For what you get, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing high performance. The Amazon Basics 256GB Micro SD Card. Product number 3, Amazon Basics 256GB Micro SD Card. Next, we have the Amazon Basics Micro SDXC Memory Card with 256GB of storage, priced at $36.87. I found its balance of price and performance really appealing. If you're looking for a reliable option that doesn't skimp on speed, this card deserves your attention. This is especially important when you're shooting video. You want to ensure that your data is captured smoothly without any hiccups. The card's durability features, like being shockproof and waterproof, are also significant as they protect your data in various conditions. However, some users reported that it might not perform as expected in certain devices. But here's the thing, as long as your device supports the necessary speeds, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you're using it in a smartphone or camera and need reliability. Skip this if you're looking for ultra-fast transfer speeds for professional video work. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you need something with even higher performance, let's check out the SanDisk 128GB Extreme Micro SD Card. Product number 4, SanDisk 128GB Extreme Micro SD Card. The SanDisk 128GB Extreme Micro SD Card is a powerhouse, especially for those who need speed, priced at $38.15. This card really stands out if you're serious about your photography or videography. If fast performance is your priority, this card is worth your time. With read speeds of up to 190 MBs and write speeds of up to 90 MBs, this card lets you offload files in seconds, perfect for 4K and 5K video recording. You can capture the action without worrying about lag, which is essential if you're shooting in fast-paced environments. Plus, it's rated A2 for app performance, speeding up loading times for games and apps. That said, some users did note that the maximum speeds are only achievable with compatible devices. But honestly, if you're investing in this card, you're likely using it with a modern camera or smartphone capable of those speeds. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or serious hobbyist looking to get the most out of your devices. Skip it if you're just doing casual photography. It's a solid investment that pays off in performance. Now, if the price of the Extreme card is too steep, let's look at a great budget option: the SanDisk 64GB Ultra Micro SD card. Product number 5, SanDisk 64GB Ultra Micro SD card. Finally, we have the SanDisk 64GB Ultra Micro SD card, priced at just $20.34. This is an excellent starter option if you're not looking to spend too much. If you need decent performance for everyday use, this card fits the bill. With a 64GB capacity, it's perfect for storing apps, photos, and full HD videos. The read speeds of up to 140 MB/s make it quick enough for most tasks, and the A1 rating helps apps load faster on your devices. This is really important for everyday smartphone users who want a smooth experience without breaking the bank. However, some users mentioned that 64GB might not be enough if you're capturing a lot of video. Here's the thing. For casual users, this is usually sufficient, but if you're a heavy user, consider the higher capacities. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, budget-friendly option for your smartphone or tablet. Skip this if you're planning to record a ton of high-resolution content. For the price, it's a great value. So there you have it, 5 fantastic micro SD cards that cater to different needs and budgets. To wrap up, we looked at the Amazon Basics 128GB and 256GB cards, which are excellent budget-friendly options. Then we checked out the SanDisk 256GB Ultra and 128GB Extreme cards for those needing more speed and capacity. Finally, the SanDisk 64GB Ultra card gives you a solid choice for everyday use. No matter your needs, there's a micro SD card here for you.